Agile project management is a methodology for managing and completing projects that is based on the Agile Manifesto, a set of principles for software development that prioritize flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. Agile project management is characterized by its iterative, incremental approach, which allows for rapid prototyping and continuous feedback. The Agile methodology is based on the idea of sprints, which are short, time-box periods, during which specific tasks or deliverables are completed. At the end of each sprint, the team reviews the work that has been completed and plans the next sprint. This allows for flexibility and adaptability throughout the project, as the team can respond quickly to changes in requirements or unforeseen obstacles. The Agile methodology also emphasizes the importance of collaboration and communication among team members. Daily stand-up meetings, called scrums, are used to keep the team informed of progress and to identify and resolve any issues. One of the key principles of Agile is that customer satisfaction is the highest priority. Agile teams work closely with the customer to understand their needs and to ensure that the final product or service meets their expectations. In summary, Agile project management is a flexible, collaborative, and customer-focused approach that prioritizes delivering working software quickly and continuously. It's widely used in software development, but it's also used in other fields such as marketing, construction, and product development. Agile project management allows teams to be more responsive to change, to work more efficiently, and to deliver better results.